Hello friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate any YouTube thumbnail with the power of AI. And I'm going to share with you a tool that I'm using that is simply mind-blowing. So as you can see here, I'm on YouTube and we're going to take this YouTube video here. It says Flux 1.1 Pro free, right? As you can see, it's an AI celebrity cloning, and we're going to, let's say, come up with a title like that and use this thumbnail as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and just right click and open up this video here, and I'm going to go ahead and just copy the link, and then I'm going to get into that really cool tool and show you. So let's go ahead and look at this video. So as you can see, this is the video. It has a title, and I'm gonna just say Flux AI cloning. I'm gonna just take this and kind of remake the title a bit. And if I look towards the right hand side, you can see that I have some information here regarding this video and this channel. And the plugin that I'm using is vidIQ. And this is also the tool that we're going to use to recreate this thumbnail. So let's go ahead and click on view. And here you can see right below, you can find the thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail of this specific video. We will not be using this thumbnail, but we're going to use it as a reference. And I'm going to show you how it works, right? So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and take the link of this video, and I'm going to open up my vidIQ. Well, let's say I like that thumbnail and I want to use it as a reference. Now in vidIQ, you need to have the vidIQ Pro, right? Or paid program, a paid subscription to be able to do this. And as you can see here on the left hand side, I'm going to click on thumbnails. And here you have a few options, and you can see some thumbnails that I've generated as well. So you have a video, you have a subject, and you have a reference. Now I'm going to click on reference, utilize the power of AI here, and I'm going to take the video link that I copied here, and it's going to find that video. And as you can see, it found this video. So I'm going to click on the video and click on continue. It's going to use this as a reference. Now I'm going to put my title here of my video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go back to this YouTube video, and I'm going to copy the title as I mentioned before. And I'm going to go ahead and just go back into this vidIQ here and just kind of make the title. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say clone any celebrity for free with Flux 1.1 Pro AI, right? So let's say that's my title. Now, all I'm going to do, you saw that I had the reference here, right? And I have my title. So all I'm going to do is just simple click on create and allow the AI to use that thumbnail as a reference and try to come up with something with my title. Now you'll see right here in the upper right hand side that it's currently creating, and all we have to do is just wait a minute or so, and it's going to generate something similar to what that thumbnail style is. And the reason why you can use this, guys, is when you're on YouTube, you will see that there are thumbnails that are working. And if you don't know how to create thumbnails and you would like to have something similar because you see that this is getting clicks, this is a smart and clever way how you can recreate thumbnails, and you can also come up with really cool thumbnails that could also allow you to get clicks. Because guess what? Good title and good thumbnails always result in clicks, right? Now if you look at this, how cool is this? If you look at the thumbnail that the video had, let me go back to that video, and if I click on this thumbnail, you can see that it has a similar style to what the vidIQ generate. How amazing is that? And you can simply go ahead and you can choose whatever. See, Flux 1.1, clone any celeb, and you basically do the same thing. It gives you a similar feel, similar style, different lady, but the thumbnails are really cool. And you just have to choose which one of these you want. And I think this is a really cool way how to come up with really cool and catchy thumbnails that you can easily generate for free. And if you find something that you like, let's say I like this one here or this one here. Let's say we like this one here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you can just simply click and download. So whichever one you want, guys, you can always go ahead and click on that thumbnail and simply download it. So I just want to mention as well that you need to have the vidIQ Pro, right? You need a paid subscription, because with a paid subscription, you can easily go ahead and download those thumbnails, generate those thumbnails and download them. And how cool is that, right? Let me go ahead and move this over here so you can see that I have it on my computer. Really cool, right? So guys, that's it. That's how you can easily use the power of AI to recreate any YouTube thumbnail that you find on YouTube that you like. This is a powerful way and a very easy way to generate really great thumbnails, and I really hope you found this valuable. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.